Hello everyone, my name is Rehan. Today I am going to teach you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube. It has 6 colors, 6 middles and 12 edges, 4 corners. Okay, so if you want you can see the basic video up in this I button. Okay, so let's start this Rubik's Cube tutorial. I am going to shuffle this Rubik's Cube randomly. Okay, start shuffling. Okay, done. We'll be solving first layer with white. Keep the white centered at top. Now we need to form white cross with matching other sides colors. Find white and red edges. Match. Match. Find white and blue edges. Match. Find white and green edges. Match. Match. Find white and orange edges. Match. Match. We solve the plus. Now we will be solving 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. First we will find green, white, red. Here is green, white, red. Green, white, red. Red is match, so away. Down. Same to black base and up. The corner is match. Look this. One corner is match. So same like this. Next blue, orange, white. Blue, orange, white. Blue match. Away. Down. Same to back, up. We match even this. Find white, orange, green corner. White, orange, green corner. It's fine. White, orange, green. Okay. Down, back, up. Find white, red, blue corner. White, red, blue corner. Red match, away. Down, back to same place and up again. Congratulations, we solved the level 1. Look at this. T, 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 T. Everywhere we got T and the first layer is solved. Now we have completed the first layer. If you have any doubts, please comment down in the comment box. If you like my explanation, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. This is Rehan. Take care.
What is this?
This is called Mega Minix. If you want, you can see this Mega Minix solving video in my channel. Thank you for watching.